wrapped LZ's Safari GTR.
But don't worry, we're not wrapping this thing.
No, we are getting some paint correction done. We're getting ceramic things done.
Make this paint shine.
Make it look real pretty. He hit me up. We're gonna be building his GTR soon. He's got like 1,000 horsepower, R35. So, you know, one hand shakes the other type of thing. We haven't really showed this one off on the channel yet, so we're gonna probably give you guys a glimpse of one of my quote-unquote street car.
What Willie considers a street car.
So this is a car that me and Natalie have been working on for the past 2023 year. As you can tell, you can probably figure out it's an RX-7 because we're big RX-7 and FRS guys. Working features, as you can see, you know, AC, pop-up headlights. It's got a power glider right now. This is the line lock button. Got a little nice little factory steer wheel, factory interior.
We still got the little cubbies. Hold on. Woo! Oops, sorry.
Got a little nitrous button here. In case anybody wants to find out.
So stay tuned.
But yeah, we're gonna pull in now, say what's up, and we'll give you guys a shot at what we got here.
Our dog.
Background, we outside.
Yo, you're him. You're him.
Yo, what up, dog? What up? What up? What up?
Oh, I love it.
What's up? How are you, Willie? Where do you want me to leave it? Right here for now? I gotta use the bathroom. I want to do a walkthrough of the shop and shit. Alright, cool. This guy. Yeah, it's a 3.2 stroke. 8685 nitrous built order.
Like Alvin.
On nitrous, it made 13 hours. Alright, y'all, we're outside. This thing is our street car. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are at Wraptors here in Orlando, Florida. One of their 9 locations. We're gonna go ahead. You've seen the inside. You already probably put 2 and 2 together. It is an RX-7. This is our version of a street car. We have our other 2 FDs that we're building, the new comp car and our old purple car, which isn't really fully retired yet, but it's going to be still used here and there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit of this before we move into this beautiful facility we got here. And we'll go. This is a second owner, 93 RX-7 with a 99 facelift. Lost an emblem on the way here today, so I'm a little upset about that.
Rip.
But it's okay. Big rip. It's your good old 6-cylinder, 2JZ GT non-VVTi 8685 Gen 2 turbo. It is on nitrous, ID 2600s. It's got everything under the moon. Piston rod motor. I mean, on a good day, she'll make 1300 on nitrous.
Jesus Christ.
We love this car. We've been working on this thing for probably beginning of 2023. This has been a dream to have a FD with a 2J in it, and I finally have one. Now I'm going to be twinning with Natalie and her JZ FRS, so it's going to be really cute to see these in the garage together, because we're probably not going to drive them as much. But now, let's take you guys inside. We're going to show you this badass facility, because we're actually working on getting paint correction, PPF, whole bunch of stuff. Make the paint look as new as possible. It does have a couple scratch and dings, but my man's going to take care of it. We're good. Let's get it. Nod,
How you doing?
Shit,
Welcome to Wraptors Orlando.
Oh, what's up, man?
Let's get it right.
Yeah.
See the license plate?
So this is Wraptors Orlando. We do a full customization shop. We do anything wraps, PPF, tint, caliper painting, wheels, tires, anything you want, we can get it done. We got this brand new Bronco, full PPF. Full PPF, Expo. We have Audi.
Y'all touched 5.
Yeah, these is all PPF. Just bring wheels, tires, rock backs.
It's definitely not how they look off the showroom.
So clean.
That's crazy.
Audi is getting, it just got a full wrap, headlights restored, fog lights, calipers getting painted. FD Hellcat, full half wrap. Gonna be crazy when it's done.
That orange is wild. That's wild. Yeah, Natalie's a big orange fan.
I didn't like it at first, but this is really nice.
Yeah, this
The
is a
metallic
nice
color,
orange.
it's nice.
She's all about hot lava. You know, maybe she should get one of these oranges.
Back end's gonna be satin black, a little overlapping.
That's an
designs.
interesting combo.
It'll look nice.
Got the Porsche with the GT3. I mean, the TEs.
We have the 911 Turbo S, fully built. Target top, it's getting it's already on bags. It's bagged, getting a full wrap, Tech. Chalk gray.
Those ain't no TEs. Those are TEs. Not the TEs.
These are fire.
No, those are bonkers. This is yours, huh?
Then we got
His baby.
my R35 GTR. It was fully built. Carbon front bumper, carbon hood, drag
Definitely
wheels.
see this at King's Performance soon. Gotta get this thing fixed too. My favorite. Got the Mickeys on it.
I only got one run out of those for it blew up.
What's all done to this thing?
It was a Stage 4 Jotech build back in 2012. HKS GT100 turbos, pistons, rods, fully built trans and full linear gears,
Money.
Vatican gears, everything.
Bunch of money signs. We gotta give a breakdown. Just put a bunch of money signs out.
Exactly, expensive.
Damn, dude, this place is sick.
We got that X6M full wrap.
We need this at our shop. 100%.
Yeah, you need to talk to Robbie about that.
I need this. This is
Oh, I love that.
this is it right here. I'm telling you, dude.
Everybody loves that.
We need that. We need
Lounge area. We got paintings, pool, TV, wine, whatever you want. So you're chilling while we're fixing your car. Just hang out, relax.
play some pool if you're bored.
We got it all.
Floors are crazy. This is dope. Look at that.
We got a guy out of Miami.
What? Imagine wraps it up. Well, you still recording?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna leave it to it. We're gonna leave it to RX7. Let you do your magic. We'll probably stop by, get some B-roll of it while you're working on it. We're not sure when. Maybe sometime Tuesday, Saturday, Monday. I don't know.
I'll probably start it today.
Oh,
Get a
okay.
full wash, clay bar, detox.
Cool.
We'll probably start
And
a
then
couple
we'll
test spots.
probably stop by, get some more media of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you follow my dog Sanad online. His IG, go ahead with that.
Wraptors Orlando.
On Instagram and Facebook.
Wraptors Orlando.
Awesome. We outside. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I really hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. We're going to get back, get some B-roll, let the man do his work, and we're out. See ya. Very good, very good.
Bueno.
Bueno, okay, man. Okay, now we go back at the Cuba. Hi, baby. All right, well, that basically wraps up this video. Once again, shout out to Wraptors Florida, Orlando. They have a couple other locations like Canada, I believe Fort Lauderdale or South Florida. I didn't really catch where the other one is. We're taking this baby home. We're excited. It looks really good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Natalie is getting her 2J FRS done very soon. So we're very pumped about that. If you saw the last video, we just started the cage kits on the red FRS, which is her drift car K-Series, which we will be making another video of that one because that engine is also completed. So back to the shop we go. What's up? Man of the hour decided to jump in at the wrap-up video.
How you doing? It's your boy Sanad back at you again. Wraptors Orlando, X-King Performance.
Mac drop.
Lab of the century.
We outside. All right. See you guys later. Like and subscribe. See ya.